When we moved here, we were told that there was a drainage problem around the house, which we've noticed when it rains, it does pool around the property a little bit. And if you look at this down pipe, it's going straight near the concrete slab, so not good. We've also got this, and Sven's just dug around a little bit and we found a drain. And if you look closely inside the drain, it is absolutely full of mud.
So it's just grown over.
So we're just gonna dig a little bit and see what else we might find.
Should we show everyone Nigel's home?
Yeah, sure.
There he is.
Oh.
He lives in that little hollow. I think he catches things that go into the drain. Anyway, that's Nigel, and he's pretty chill.
Oh, I think Nigel's got a few friends. So we're just going to leave Nigel there. If anyone happens to know what type of spider Nigel is, please let us know in the comments below. While we have a drainage problem.
Sorry, worms.
That's good soil.
I wonder how far this goes.
Oh, the pipe's right there.
Yeah, that's the pipe that goes to Nigel's house. To see if we fill this with water, is the water level by Nigel's house gonna rise?
I don't know.
Well, can you go that side and look, please, while I fill this?
Yeah, it's rising, bro.
Okay, well that's all we needed to know. That means our drain works.
And bubbling for days.
It's not going down on my side.
It's not going down the side either.
Well, I'm not going to flood it because I don't want to wreck Nigel's home unnecessarily. We know where the drain goes now and that it works.
But does it work? In the
Yeah, it
sense
does.
that it's not really...
So what will happen is when it's really full and the water rises here, it's going to pop out there, which the idea is that the water's not next to your house.
So Sven had a bit of a genius idea. We're thinking of taking this down pipe, changing the bottom bits to make it run straight off to the drain that we've just discovered. The drainage problem around the house continues. So all the effort we put into this drain, I don't know, it's like it's kind of working, but something's still blocked. At least moving this into here, you can see that's working, but the water is still pooling all around the property. The rain's calmed down now, thankfully, but as you can tell, it is just pouring out of our tank. So one has to assume the overflow part must be blocked,